OpenAI has gotten this far while having at least a sort of dual profit, non-profit role. What they're trying to do now is completely delete the non-profit.
Where you think the big applications will be from AI? Is it going to be in enabling self-driving? Is it going to be enabling robots? Is it transforming industries?
I think the spending on AI probably runs ahead of, it does run ahead of the revenue right now. There's no question about that. The rate of improvement of AI is faster than any technology I've ever seen by far. Good future of AI is one of immense prosperity where there is an age of abundance, no shortage of goods and services. Everyone can have whatever they want, except for things we artificially define to be scarce, like some special artwork. But anything that is a manufactured good or provided service will, I think, with the advent of AI plus robotics, that the cost of goods and services will trend to zero. That is perhaps the bigger challenge. You need the sort of end effectors. You need the autonomous cars, and you need the sort of humanoid robots or general purpose robots. But once you have general purpose humanoid robots, autonomous vehicles, you can build anything. And if you've got humanoid robots that can do, where there's no real limit on the number of humanoid robots, and they can operate very intelligently, then there's no actual limit to the economy. There's no meaningful limit to the economy.
We're generally trying to recommend less political content. So I think you're going to see our services play less of a role in this election than they have in the past.
I'm excited to kick off another year at Meta Fair, and today we're sharing some of our latest research and models centered around our ongoing focus on advanced machine intelligence.
At its core, AMI is about creating intelligent systems that can learn from experience, adapt to new situations, and interact with humans in more natural ways. First, we have a project called Meta Partner. This is a comprehensive framework that is designed for seamless human-robot collaboration in household environment. So imagine in the near future, perhaps a robot helping you with chores, cleaning up toys, doing dishes, cooking, perhaps at some point.
Now, in the realm of audio, we have Meta Audio Box Aesthetics. This is actually a new standard. It's a model that automatically evaluates audio quality. It provides insights into content enjoyment as well as production quality. This one is a good leap forward in terms of enhancing audio content across various applications.
Another project we've launched has turned into a product, which is voice message transcripts on WhatsApp, a feature that is derived from a project at Fair called Seamless. This project was named one of Time Magazine's greatest invention of 2024. And it's basically a system that can transcribe speech to text in many different languages.
We've recently introduced massively multilingual speech. This one scales audio transcription to over 1,000 languages. Teams that are interested in collaborating with us on advancing language technologies encouraged to check out our blog post, our website, to see what's going on there.
Finally, we're excited to share breakthroughs in understanding how the brain forms language. Coming out of the Meta Fair Lab in Paris, our team has partnered with academic institutions to use AI to decode language from non-invasive brain recordings. This paves the way for new types of brain-computer interfaces that could help people with disabilities communicate. Our goal has always been to empower the community to use AI for good and push our long-held commitment to sharing open and reproducible science.
We hope to continue the conversation, and we're really excited to see what the community is going to do with all these new models.